You're typing out a prompt for a weekly meal plan, and ChatGPT casually excludes dairy because you mentioned an allergy 3 months ago. This happens because OpenAI rolled out an automatic memory system. It actively scans your ongoing chat history, prioritizing and synthesizing details it deems important for future conversations. Today, we're going to map out exactly where this data lives and walk through the specific steps to view, edit, and permanently scrub that memory bank. These controls are currently rolling out primarily to Plus, Pro, and Business users, with expansion to other plans in the pipeline. Left alone, passive data collection builds a profile of you that you can't see. By taking active control over these settings, you turn an opaque algorithm into a curated, hyper-specific personal tool. First, we need to locate the master switch. Open your profile, go to Settings, and click the Personalization tab. Here, you'll find the main memory toggle. If you are on a business or enterprise plan, you might find this toggle grayed out. That means your workspace admin has disabled personalization features at the organizational level. For business users, watch out for this specific trap. When invited to a business workspace, you can merge your personal account. If you merge, your personal workspace is permanently deleted. Your data migrates irreversibly into the business environment. Maintaining a hard boundary between your personal data and your enterprise workspace ensures your private information stays private. Going back to the personalization menu, look right under the memory toggle and click Manage. This opens your memory summary, which is the actual profile the AI has built about you. If you recently turned this feature on or opened a new account, this screen might be completely blank. The model just needs more chat history to start extracting details. When the summary is populated, you will likely find outdated facts. To fix this, simply highlight the incorrect sentence. A floating prompt will appear, allowing you to select "Don't mention this again." You can also skip the highlighting and use the text box at the bottom of the screen. Just type your correction directly, like "I no longer live in Chicago," and the summary updates. To confirm the system accepted your changes, check the timestamp at the top of the summary screen. It should shift to say "Just now." Manually removing old preferences and correcting bad data ensures the AI is operating on your explicit instructions rather than its own assumptions. You don't have to navigate to the Settings menu to manage every memory. Try opening a standard chat window and asking a highly personalized question, like "What should I have for lunch?" As it generates the response, watch the status text above the text block. You will see the words "remembering" or "personalizing" appear on screen. Directly below the completed response, you'll see a small book icon. Clicking this opens the Memory Sources panel, which displays the exact past chats and custom instructions it used to formulate that specific answer. If the AI pulled up a source that isn't helpful, click the three-dot menu next to it. You can mark it as not relevant to adjust the system, or delete the source memory entirely. Every personalized output comes with a verifiable evidence trail. You can trace why the AI gave its answer and correct its logic on the spot. Telling the memory summary to forget a detail stops the AI from bringing it up, but it doesn't actually delete the underlying data from OpenAI servers. This checklist illustrates the 4-step protocol required to completely scrub sensitive information. Step 1, as we covered, is removing the item from the memory summary. Step 2, hunt down the original conversation where data was shared and delete that chat lock. Step 3, delete any uploaded documents containing sensitive data. Step 4 ensures the data doesn't repopulate. Disconnect integrated services, like Gmail, from your app settings that might continuously feed information back. To ensure sensitive information is completely gone, you have to excise it from the root sources, not just silence the front-end output. Once you complete that audit, you are left with an AI profile stripped of bad data and precisely tuned to your workflow. When you need to brainstorm private, weird, or one-off queries without contaminating this freshly audited profile, use the temporary chat feature. Temporary chats operate completely outside the personalization system. They do not pull context from your saved memories, and they will never generate new ones. Mastering these controls gives you total agency over your digital footprint. You decide exactly when the AI remembers you and when it forgets.